What if I told you that your tax refund could actually change your family's future? Because right now, millions of people are waiting on their refund. Average check, about $3,000. And most people treat it like it's bonus money. They get a new TV, they go on vacations they can't afford, they get a new wardrobe, they go on cruises that they charge to their credit card, they get new cars that actually lose value the minute they drive off, and then by May, that money is gone. But today, I want to show you how to take that one check and use it as a starting point of your own private money system. Stay with me because at the end, I'm going to give you our legacy starter kit for free. Our budget tracker, myths debunked, and a real case study showing how just one refund can build more security than most people ever get from a 401k. Now let's talk about it. That direct deposit hits, and for a moment, you feel rich. But what's really happening is that you're trading capital for temporary comfort. That TV, forgotten. That vacation, over. That wardrobe, old news. And now you're back to your regular life. Same bills, same stress. Meanwhile, wealthy families, they don't do that. They treat refunds as capital. They don't see $3,000 as spending money. They see it as entry money into a system they control. Let me make this real. Picture a 40-year-old mom. We'll call her Tasha. 2 kids, making around $70K a year. Every spring, she gets about $3,000 back. Most years, it disappears into bills and Amazon. Until one year, she says, I'm tired of having nothing to show for all these refunds. So she decides this $3,000 is going to be the first brick in her family's financial future. So what do wealthy families quietly use? For over 100 years, they've used properly structured, high cash value whole life insurance. This isn't the insurance that your cousin tried to sell you. This is how the wealthy build their own private bank. It lets them grow money with tax advantages. It lets them access money without penalties. And also it lets them pass wealth to their children income tax free. It's in the tax code. Tasha uses her refund as the base premium that opens the policy. Think of it like opening a safe, but an empty safe doesn't change your life. So she adds extra money over time, refunds, bonuses, monthly surplus through paid up additions. Base equals engine, PUAs equals fuel, more fuel equals stronger system. Inside the policy, money grows 2 ways: guaranteed growth plus potential dividends. Historically, around 3 to 5% tax advantage over time, depending on design. Not promised, but realistic. And here's the big difference: no yearly taxes interrupting your growth. Your money compounds quietly. In 3 to 5 years, Tasha needs a car, sees a rental property, wants to start a business. Most people run to banks. Tasha doesn't. She borrows against her policy. The insurance company gives her their money. Her cash stays growing. So now her policy earns. She owns assets, same dollar, 2 places. That's velocity of money. Now, when Tasha passes, any loans are cleared. The rest goes to her children, income tax free. She started with one refund and leaves her children a system. That's the dynasty effect. That's how wealthy families stay wealthy. They pass systems, not just money. Real talk. Yes, there are upfront costs. That's why refunds work. They're a great start. Yes, stocks can return more, but stocks aren't stable, liquid, or guaranteed. This is your foundation, your financial home base. If this clicked, grab our free legacy starter kit, budget tracker, our MIPS guide, and one-shot case study. Link is below. Don't let your refund disappear. Put it to work. The gap between wealthy families and everyone else isn't income, it's systems. You don't need more money, you need a better strategy. I'm Kiera Felton with the Legacy Vault Financial, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.